Hello dear viewers, you are most welcome to LJLady2 Mathematics channel and thanks for watching. If you are new to this channel, please kindly subscribe, turn on the notification button so that you are notified whenever I upload any video, like and share. Tonight we have our math trick, which is 2 divided by 2 divided by 2 still divided by 2. We are saying that equals to a 1, but we have a cross, implying that 1 as a result is a wrong answer to this math trick question. So 1 is a wrong answer, and we are going to have the walk through the wrong approach, and then this way we are going to have the correct approach. Let us begin with the wrong approach, as we are having the 2 divided by the 2 still divided by the 2 and then divide by 2. Wrong there, one can begin by just first dealing with these ones in the middle, whereby we are going to have the 2 divided by 2 to give us a 1. Then there is this division sign, which is divided by the 2. Then this sign, which is divided by, then we have a 2. Then from here, if we get now 2 divided by 1, it means that the result here is gonna be the 2. Then this symbol is moved to that side, that part, then the 2. Whereby the 2 divided by 2, once simplified, we are going to get a 1 as our result. But we are saying that 1 as a result or as the answer to this math trick question is completely wrong. Let us have the correct version of doing it. The correct one is gonna be the 2 divided by the 2 divided by the 2 then divided by the 2, which is equal to, in here the trick is that we begin from the left hand side. We have beginning from left hand side towards the right hand side. What does it mean? It implies that we are going to first deal with this 2 dividing by that 2, whereby if we get this 2 divided by 2, we are getting our result as 1. Then this division symbol follows, so divide by the 2, then divide by the 2. In here, this is a division symbol. It simply means we are going to have the 1. Since it is division, if we change it to multiplication, it simply means we are going to get the reciprocal of 2. And the reciprocal of 2 is a half. So we are going to have 1 multiplied by now a half, or 1 divided by 2. Then still this division symbol, we change it to multiplication also, and then we get the reciprocal of 2, which is still the a half. From here we are going to simplify, whereby this one is also having the denominator as 1. From here we are going to have the 1 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 1 to give us a 1, divided by this 1 multiplied by 2 to give us the 2, then the 2 multiplied by 2 to give us the 4. So we have 1 divided by 4 as our answer, or correct answer. It implies that, therefore, the correct response to our expression or math trick, which is 2 divided by the 2, then divided by 2, and still divided by the 2, equals to a quarter, or 1 out of 4. So this becomes our correct response to this math trick. And thanks for watching. See you again in the next video, and endeavor to subscribe for more mathematics videos and lessons. See you again.